Say.
Oh,
Hi.
hi!
I don't know. Welcome back to another video where I'm going to be doing Travel Danielle's makeup.
We're buds, and we like to hang out together.
She basically has blackmailed me into doing her makeup today, so here we are. I didn't screw it up, so definitely worth a watch. We're just going to get straight into it. I feel like you don't have a bad face. Oh, not a bad one. So I'm going to start with the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. I haven't used this one before.
I've been wanting to try it. You can use your fingers.
I'm going to do what people of the profession do.
I've actually had my makeup done professionally many times. I'm really good at staying so still for a long amount of time. Feels very hydrated.
Every time I put this on my face, I'm like, oh, this feels so nice. I don't know what it does, but it feels good.
Mm-hmm.
And this is it. You look beautiful. It's so nice having you here.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
We're done. The hardest part of the entire thing is picking a foundation, matching a shade to your face, because I have had my face for 25 years and still cannot get the shade right. I've been with your face for maybe 10 minutes now.
But it's a good one. We've established that.
This is the LN2, and I don't think anyone's face is this color. This is so white.
Give it a go on the old redhead pale complexion.
Hopefully you don't end up orange by the time we're done.
The first time I have a nice orange glow.
Because I tan myself before I film. We're gonna be here for the next 6 hours trying to figure out what to use. I look super sweaty. Like, this makeup looks like it's about to drip off my face.
You look like you're fresh. So fresh.
Got this, and then I have the foundation on top of it. And then I sprayed myself and I walked in the rain, and I just figured I just don't have enough water in my face right now. We're doing it. I'm gonna use the Anastasia foundation in shade 160C, because that's what I got. We're gonna mix that with this LG3, basically face cement. So my new discovery is if you tie your hair back super duper tight, you don't need Botox because I no longer have frowny wrinkles.
But I can't pull from this side because it's all shaved off.
Just a one-sided Botox, I guess. I'm panicking. We're just, you know what, we've committed.
We're doing it.
For those who don't know who you are you? What do you do? Tell us a bit about yourself.
I am Danielle. I do Destiny gaming content, Twitch streaming, and YouTube. It wasn't like, I'm Travel Danielle because I travel. It was like a reminder to myself, like, Travel Danielle. This is where you generally usually speed it up.
This video could be a long one.
Does it all look right?
We'll see. You might hate this. Hide your face and you'll be good to go.
But it's a good face.
If you were ugly, this would suck for me. I'm not that good. Can I say that? You have no life to your face now because you've got so much foundation on.
Half the video is just me naked facing it. Just raw dogging my face into the camera.
Okay, we're gonna conceal. Why does your Tarte Shape Tape look like this? This is mine, this is yours.
Because I washed mine. Tarte, I love you. But your design of your bottle is horrific.
I'm gonna make you look like you've slept for 3 days straight.
Can you make it feel like I slept for 3 days straight? Sorry.
I'm gonna use the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder.
Only find at Sephora. I know because I went to Ulta to try and purchase some and they were like, lol, get out of here.
Oh, okay, there's powder everywhere. Ooh, dear.
I really only powder here.
I'm saying that I'm gonna powder under your eyes a bit more.
Trying to avoid the lines.
I always get to say chart tape shape. I swear I'm like half dyslexic.
Unfortunate.
It doesn't, I mean, it supposedly doesn't sink in lines as much, but it always sinks in my lines. And if I'm super tired, it gets really bad. I want to contour your nose a little bit.
Yes, please.
I'm gonna use this Kevin Aucoin. How would you say that?
Aucoin.
Wait, one more time.
If it's like super French, then it'd be Aucoin.
We're gonna use Kevin
Aucoin.
I'm butchering Kevin's name.
Mr. Kevin A.
We're gonna jump in with some Kevin A.
You went straight Australian.
I did.
Kevin A.
That's a lot on one side. This is actually our 6th time. We've ruined it every other time. We're going for round 6. I feel like that's good. There's a mirror right there.
Yeah. I've been like,
every time, like, how are you doing that? Because you're like, I think it looks good. I'm like, you haven't looked at that, and you haven't looked at that. I'm so confused.
I'm like, it looks great. I'm vibing that it looks great.
Good vibe. Let's bronze your face.
At 30, you get your cheekbones. When I was like 28 or 29, every actress that I noticed had really good cheekbones. I'm like, oh, she's got great cheekbones. And I would look and she'd be like 30, 32. And I'm like, I guess you get your cheekbones at 30. That's the secret about aging. No matter what age you are, you stay the same in here, but then just your meat sack gets older. You're just like a spirit's just hauling around meat sacks.
We're all just aging meat sacks.
You can't fight it.
It doesn't matter if it's not even, because half your face sits over your hair.
Yeah, true. Are you dyslexic? Your brain is not responsible for the words that you say while you're filming.
You look so blushed and cute. I love it. I'm gonna highlight the face.
my gosh, it looks so good.
Have you ever been this glowy?
After a workout?
And I'm sweating. You're gonna do your brows.
I'm excited because I don't generally do my brows.
Why is it bending?
Ooh, nice.
You have 2 brows and I have to do the other. We're gonna try use brow gel.
So fluffy.
We're gonna use the gingerbread palette, the extra spicy one.
Because I am a ginger.
Well, you have some really nice visible lids. When did you start wearing makeup?
So I started very late. Mostly the only thing that I started with was mascara and under eye concealer. Then it was all drugstore brand, one color over the whole thing. Started watching some YouTube videos because a dear friend of mine started a makeup channel and I was like, oh, this is like a whole new world of like fun things.
Who really knows how to do makeup ever? Put this on your face, maybe put this on your eyes and you're good to go. My mom was like, makeup is for attracting boys. You don't want to attract them, so stop putting it on your face. This is the base.
Ooh.
This is what I did to my face.
Twinsies! So cute!
Looks like a donut. Keep your eyes closed, look up.
What was that first part?
I almost jabbed you straight in the eyeball. Instantly, eyes open.
I thought you said eyes open! You said eyes open!
That's totally my bad this time, and I really almost did. Yeah, keep your eyes closed.
Okay, I'm not opening them, ever. So pretty!
I'm doing a good job.
Hey, you effing are. I had confidence the whole time.
I don't even know if I should attempt this. Did one. Now you gotta finish it
I
off.
feel like you did this one like perfectly fine.
One side's enough.
Yeah, like I proved it to myself and I never want to do that again.
Danielle is the queen of lashes. Cheap mascara is the best mascara. Except I have been liking not cheap mascara, but that's beside the point.
This first and then this second. And then to apply lashes, get one of these.
This is my doodad.
Oh, you have a doodad?
No.
Come on.
I have your standard tweezers. I'm basic.
Whatever works.
You actually have really long eyelashes.
But they're so pale.
What are your makeup must-haves?
Mascara, under eye concealer. Literally, I could do without anything else.
Mine would be mascara and brows.
Brows were just like a non-thing for so long to me.
I think I discovered doing my brows so early on. I think I was just too insecure about them. Even to the point when Jess and I were dating, I would not let him see me without brows. Like, I would have no makeup done, bare face. I'm like, hey, still have my brows on. And it was only the last maybe 6 months or so that I actually would wipe my brows off.
Oh my god, that's so funny and so cute.
He didn't notice any difference. Like,
But that's not a metaphor for the difference between one, how you see yourself and what you're self-conscious about, and also dudes and girls. Lash time. Lashes.
we're doing it. Yes.
Make nice faces nicer. With the power of makeup. That's your thumbnail.
I could put them on backwards. That would be not ideal.
I wouldn't love it.
I think you'd probably look a little cross-eyed. Remember that time that Amy did my makeup? She made my eyes look weird.
The key to lashes is patience.
I love this glue. This is the House of Lashes.
La Maison du Lash. I feel like they could really pump up the fancy if they made it French.
Okay, hang on. I'm coming in, I'm doing it. We landed.
Oh, hell yeah, it's on. Feels good.
I'm retiring today.
Final video. Going out
The
on
end.
bang. On a high note.
Please watch.
Profesh.
Email me for bookings. No, don't. Look at her face.
Look at her face. I didn't make it suck.
Too early.
Fantastic.
I did it! Yeah, I did the lashes.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh no,
I screwed up.
You ruined your face, it wasn't me.
I've had too much caffeine and I've ruined everything.
I really like more of a nudie colour.
You know I like it nudie.
I don't go nude enough.
I don't.
Let's be honest.
You're right.
Always pre-moisture.
Literally right there is like the hardest because you're like, it could go out further, but also
It looks like you're a kid that's just eating a lot of pasta.
that's the look I go for actually. Nailed it!
Dude, come off.
Yes!
Clean?
Oh god! Precision hands! I need to do my nails.
I don't want to like toot my own horn, but look at her face. So fresh. The final product. And this is it. We did it. We made it, guys. It has probably been about 8.5 hours at this point.
Man, it's so well blended. Like, I can't even.
You like it? We're gonna go and maybe eat some food, and Danielle will be streaming later, but you're probably not gonna see this video for another 6 weeks, so it's irrelevant, but I'm sure she might be streaming again soon, so go check her out. Where can people find you?
On the interwebs. Twitch.tv/TravelDanielle, YouTube.com/TravelDanielle.
Find her on every kind of platform platform ever. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like, subscribe maybe. You guys are great. We're gonna go. Bye.